The roofers have finished replacing the roof. Nice new black roof. It's so cloudy today, it's hard to appreciate the color. But we have that chimney gone. The summer kitchen chimney is gone. The gutters are bigger now. And it just looks good all around. It's pretty hefty. They knocked down this power line, so I had to hang it up back a little bit for now. We're expecting a dumpster be delivered next week, so I wanted to make sure they can have a clearance. And looks like here, even if I reach up, I cannot reach it, so that's about, I don't know, 8 feet high. I think we're good. So today I need to clean up again. Yesterday's the walls were demolished in the dining room, so I need to back that up and haul it away. And when I mean hauling it away, just out there with the other trash. Here we are. The place looks so dark, and this darkness makes it even smaller than it was. But anyway, it's definitely a progress. It's hard to do a lot of demo until someone cleans it up, because there's no place to put this crap. So I got a lot of work to do, and I'm gonna try to take a look at the old chimney in the attic and see if I can take that down, start taking it down, or if I want to take down some other walls. So here's the old chimney. And this is held up by an old piece of wood. So hopefully we can take this down without disturbing any structure. I think we're gonna have to put in probably something here to support the floor on the side, which is fine. So this is where they used to have a wood stove, probably underneath here in the kitchen for cooking. And that's probably before they had these cabinets, really. Back in the days, I don't think they have cabinets originally. So let me just get some stuff done. Here's some old wallpaper. I wonder if we should keep this for something. Looks like they had the plaster, wallpaper, wainscoting, and then on the top of that they added some paneling. So this is the old living room color. I'm done cleaning up, so this is what it looks like, the dining room. Still needs to be finished up down here. I'm gonna take down the baseboard heaters, and then we can start with the living room. It's a lot of work. I'm exhausted. But we'll get there eventually. I swept up a little bit, but it's not worth to do anything because we'll be back to finish this up. Anyway, turned out to be a beautiful day. It's kind of cloudy when I got here. Well, let's see, I think I got everything I needed. Locking up. So definitely there's a whole lot of trash. That's what the new roof looked like. See you next time.